In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show how to animate text color change Premiere Pro like this one. For making text color animate, simply here's a solid color background and a simple text. Lower clip is the background and upper one is the text. I want to animate the text in 3 colors in total. So I'm copying this text 2 more times by pressing Alt key and dragging. And I'm putting all the text together one after the other. Now you can see here's total 3 text in a different clip. I want to keep the color of the first text as before, so I'm going to Effect Control by selecting the second text. From this fill box, I'm changing my second text color. I'm making second text color as black. And now I'm selecting the third text clip and going to Effect Control. And from this fill box, I'm selecting red color for my third text. Let's play the video. Here we can see a simple text color changing animation, but the animation is not smooth. So let's make it smoother. Open Effect panel and search here Cross Dissolve and drag this effect and leave it in the space between the 2 text. And now here we can see this text color changing animation is perfect. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.